I have OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to change date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down, and here let's find and select the additional settings. So here let's choose date and time, and you can use the automatic configuration, or you can disable this configuration, and here you can select the time zone. You can change the date and time, or you may also simply go back to the automatic configuration by using that switcher. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.